Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Huawei watch to an Oppo phone. First, make sure both devices are sufficiently charged, ideally above 50%, to avoid interruptions during the pairing process. Next, you'll need to download the Huawei Health app onto your Oppo phone. You can find it on the Google Play Store or Huawei App Gallery. Finally, activate Bluetooth on both your watch and phone to prepare for the connection. Now, let's initiate the pairing. Open the Huawei Health app on your Oppo phone. Within the app, look for the Devices tab, usually found at the bottom. Tap Add Device and then choose your exact Huawei watch model from the displayed options. Both your phone and watch will then show a pairing request. Simply confirm it on both devices to proceed with the connection. Once paired, you'll want to configure your watch settings. Grant all necessary permissions to the Huawei Health app on your Oppo phone. This ensures features like heart rate monitoring and notifications work correctly. Take some time to explore the app to personalize your watch face, manage which app notifications appear on your wrist, and set up your preferred health tracking options. Also, allow the Huawei Health app to run in the background for a consistent connection. Should you encounter any connection issues, don't worry. A simple restart of both your Huawei watch and Oppo phone often resolves minor glitches. Always ensure your Huawei Health app is updated to the latest version, as updates frequently include bug fixes and performance improvements. For the most stable connection, keep your watch and phone relatively close, ideally within a range of about 10 meters, to maintain a strong Bluetooth signal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.